Drive start control is a critical safety system designed to prevent unintended acceleration in modern vehicles. This system actively monitors your driving inputs to detect potentially dangerous situations. The system works by continuously monitoring three key scenarios. First, when it detects simultaneous brake and accelerator pedal inputs. Second, when rapid acceleration occurs while the brake pedal is pressed. Third, when it identifies other potentially dangerous driving scenarios. When a drive start control malfunction occurs, you will typically see several warning signs. The most common is a dashboard warning light, usually showing an engine symbol or exclamation mark. You may also experience reduced engine power, often called limp mode. Drive start control malfunctions typically stem from issues with five key components. The accelerator pedal position sensor, or APS, monitors your accelerator input. The brake pedal position sensor detects brake application. The engine control module processes all this information. The engine control module is the brain of the system, processing inputs from multiple sensors. Modern vehicles feature enhanced diagnostic capabilities with specific error codes, making troubleshooting more precise than ever before. Regular vehicle maintenance is your best defense against drive start control malfunctions. Keep pedal areas clean, follow recommended service intervals, and stay alert for early warning signs. Understanding these systems helps you maintain vehicle safety and performance. Diagnosing drive start control issues requires a systematic approach. We'll start with initial assessment, then move through OBD scanning, component testing, and finally cover the reset procedures. First, perform an initial assessment. Check your dashboard for warning lights, typically an engine light or exclamation mark symbol. Note any performance issues like reduced power or unusual throttle response. Next, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. Common codes for drive start control issues include P2138, P2135, and P0638. Document any freeze frame data for further analysis. Component testing involves checking the accelerator pedal position sensors, brake pedal switch operation, and throttle body functionality. These sensors provide critical input to the drive start control system. Now for the reset procedures. The first method is a basic ECM reset. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, then press the accelerator pedal fully 5 times within 5 seconds. The second method involves disconnecting the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect and let the engine idle for 5 minutes. This allows the system to fully reset. If these methods don't resolve the issue, professional diagnosis may be required. Dealerships and qualified technicians have manufacturer-specific diagnostic equipment that can perform advanced resets and software updates.